friends, thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope your family had a wonderful Christmas like mine did. It was a crazy last few days and I'm kind of glad it's over. For the last 6 years, I've shared with you some of the wonderful gifts I've received. I love to watch these kind of videos. I will learn about products that I didn't know existed, or I may have a little Christmas cash and find some things that I might want myself. So if you own any of the things that I got this year, give me some feedback below and tell me what you think about them. So stay tuned and let me show you what I got. All right, the first few things I want to share with you are kitchen related, and this is a really nice double-decker plate and utensil holder for get-togethers. I will tell you that I do know that it comes from Costco, so if you want just the plate holder in one place, and this one right here can mount on top. So it's a double-decker. This up here can be for napkins or plates, and this is for utensils, but just a really neat rack for your plates and utensils for a get-together. So I'm looking forward to using that this year. All right, the next thing is a Black & Decker Helix hand mixer. I have a KitchenAid stand mixer. A lot of times for just one batch of cookies, it's just quicker to pull out the hand mixer and be done with it. And the beaters look like they're kind of rubberized. So let me know if you have this and what you think about it. Another thing on my wish list was some new baking sheets. The baking sheets I had were professional that come from Costco. Love them. After a few years, they just get horrible looking. Well, they don't carry them in the store anymore, and you have to buy them online. But you know, if you ever start baking with professional cookie sheets, you can't hardly go back to the thin, flimsy ones. So these were found on Costco online, and I will put the name of these cookie sheets on the screen. Now the next few things probably won't interest most of you. This is kind of behind the scenes YouTube stuff. You know, I allow my channel to grow organically. I don't push it, but you know, at some point in time, you do have to improve the quality of your video if at all possible, because people just won't watch it if it's not better quality. So I did get an upgrade this year. I got a new digital camera. This was my big gift, a Canon PowerShot. I have a nice camera, but this one, after about 4 years, it's time for an upgrade. So it's got lots of bells and whistles. I've got a lot of practicing to do with it before I try to record with it. So I'm going to be playing around with this for the next couple weeks and try to get that up and running. And I got lots of little extras with my camera, a nice camera bag and things. Now this right here is computer microphone. You know, a lot of times you will see people do voiceovers instead of talking through the video. And a lot of times those computer microphones, it kind of sounds like you're talking in a can. This will make my voiceovers a lot more clear and sound a lot better. And these couple things right here is just some external lighting. Lighted LED ring on a tripod that can go like 4 foot. This is just some other external LED lighting that will make it a lot better when I try to film in the house. Everything's yellow or shadowy. Now here's some fun stuff I got. My daughter blessed me with a Billy subscription. If you've ever heard of those men's shave clubs where they'll mail you a razor and then mail you the razor heads every few weeks, well, that's exactly what this is, but it's for women. It's called Billy. I don't know exactly how much it costs, but this is the Billy razor. It's a 5 razor head, and every 2 weeks for the next 6 months, they'll mail me a new razor head. It comes with a little special holder that you attach to your shower wall, and so I'm really looking forward to this. I'll let you know here in a few months if I extend my subscription. This is one of my favorite lotion brands, and this is Whipped Strawberry. This is a professional brand like you buy at beauty shops and stuff like that, but you can find it at Home Goods and TJ Maxx and places like that. But this is a wonderful lotion brand if you ever do see this. All right, the next thing is something I'm excited about using. It's one of those Sonic jewelry cleaners. And then here is the cleaning solution. Can't wait to clean my rings and have them looking pretty all the time. There's one little thing my daughter gave me. It's one of these little pop sockets. If you ever get used to using one of those loops or one of those little knobs on the back of your phone, you can't hardly live without it. So this is just an extra one I have if mine ever falls off. My brother blessed me with a nice gift card. What I'm going to buy with this is one of those adjustable rolling pins where if you want 1/4 of an inch dough, you just roll it out. So I'm looking forward to trying that. A couple crafty things. My husband got me a new set of scissors. I go through scissors pretty regularly, so just about every other year I get a new set of scissors, and he surprised me with a new Cameo sticky mat for my machine. Now, a couple clothing things. My Bunko girls, we do Dirty Santa. The gift was this beautiful color block. They're kind of like blanket poncho wraps. I don't know what you call it. I'll insert a picture here. They're in all the stores. They're kind of like a blanket you just drape over you, and you can dress it up or just throw it on and run to the store, but just really cute. Looking forward to using that this winter. And a couple things for my son. He knows I love good socks when I work out, and then a really nice zippered Under Armour jacket that I will enjoy wearing. So there you go, friends. Those are some fun things that I'm going to get to enjoy this year. Like I said, let me know if you have any of this stuff and what you think about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be sharing a thrift haul in a few days. Bye-bye.